Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 24th March 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Fitch rating reduced India's financial year 23 growth forecast to what percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 8.5 percentage. So recently Fitch rating has reduced India's GDP growth forecast for fiscal year, that is 2022 to 2023, to 8.5 percentage in its global economic outlook March 2022. So before, this rate was estimated at 10.3 percentage. So the downward projection is due to the sharply higher energy price because of ongoing Russian-Ukraine war. So the rating agency Fitch has revised upwards the GDP growth forecast for the current fiscal financial year, that is 2021 to 2022, by 0.6 percentage points to be 8.7 percentage. Okay, so now question number 2. Which digital payment and financial service firm acquired GigIndia, a Pune-based network for independent micro entrepreneurs? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is PhonePe. So recently PhonePe, a digital payment and financial service company, has acquired GigIndia, a network for independent micro entrepreneurs based in Pune. So basically PhonePe will be able to integrate 1.5 million entrepreneurs and over 100 business as a customer. So in addition to its own employees as a result of acquisition. So basically PhonePe will use GigIndia's network of freelancing micro entrepreneurs to assist corporation and business in expanding their customer base and distributions channel. Okay, so now question number 3. What is the India's position in the Global House Price Index Q4 2021 according to the Knight Frank? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 51st. So recently, India has improved its rank by 5 spots to be placed at 51 in the Global House Price Index Q4 2021 released by property consulting Knight Frank. So basically, India was placed at 56th position in Q4 in 2020. So India witnesses a 2.1 percentage annual aspiration in house price rate during October to December quarter of 2021 against Q4 of 2020. Okay, so now question number 4. Which type of sector has the Reserve Bank of India instructed regulated entities to lend to? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is microfinance. So recently the Reserve Bank of India has instructed regulated entities lending to the microfinance sector to ensure that loans are collateral free and not secured by lien on the borrower's deposit account, that repayment obligation are capped and there is no prepayment penalty. So the central bank harmonized regulatory framework for regulated lenders, which includes Scheduled Commercial Bank, Small Financing Bank, NBFC, and NBFC investment and credit companies, including these clause. Okay, so now question number 5. What is the Mukesh Ambani's worldwide rank in Hurun India's 2022 M3M Hurun Global Rich List, in which he was named as the richest Indian and Asian? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 9th. So recently, according to the report, Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industry Limited, has emerged as the richest Indian and richest Asian and ranked 9th globally. Okay, so now question number 6. On which day of the year does India celebrated Ordnance Factories Day? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 18th of March. So the production of India's oldest orange factory was at Kolkata was started on 18 March in year 1802. So basically Orange factory is the 37th largest defense equipment manufacturer in the world, the second largest in Asia and the largest in India. Okay, so now question number 7. Which country has entered the BRICS New Development Bank as a fourth new member? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Egypt. So recently Egypt added as the fourth new member of BRICS New Development Bank. Bangladesh, UAE, Uruguay joined BRICS New Development Bank in September 2021. So the membership expansion enables New Development Bank to position itself as a premium development institution for emerging economics. So BRICS New Development Bank is a multilateral bank that was established by Brazil, Russia, China, India and South Africa to finance sustainable development in infrastructure project. Okay, so now question number 8. Which bank will buy a 9.5% interest in India International Clearing Corporation Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is State Bank of India. So recently the State Bank of India will acquire up to 9.95% stake in Indian International Clearing Corporation, subject to a maximum investment of rupees 34.03 crores. So the Clearing Corporation of Gift City, that is Gandhinagar in Gujarat, based marketing infrastructure institution. So the corporation is the first international clearing corporation to be set up at Gujarat International Finance Tech City, also known as GIFT International Financial Service Center. So the clearing corporation acts central counterparty, providing clearing and settlement and risk management service to India International Exchange Limited. Now question number 9. By implementing the e-Vidhan program, which state became the first to have paperless assembly? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Nagaland. So recently Nagaland has created history by becoming the first state assembly in the country to implement National e-Vidhan application program to become completely paperless. So the Nagaland Assembly Secretariat has attached a tablet or e-book on each table in the 60 members assembly aimed the ongoing budget session. Okay, so now last question. Dinesh Thapar was recently appointed as Chief Financial Officer of which organization? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Bajaj Auto. So recently the Bajaj Auto Limited appointed Dinesh Thapar as Chief Financial Officer. So the Thapar joins Bajaj Auto from Reliance Retail, where he was Group Chief Financial Officer for the past 3 years of the company.